Hello friends, I'm Ojha. Welcome back on my YouTube channel Mutual Adarsh. Friends, today I have prepared a new topic that is computer keyboard shortcut keys from A to Z. So friends, this will be very interesting video. So please watch this video till end. So friends, if you are new in my video, so please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get my all notification and press the like button and don't forget to share. Please comment that how is my video and how can I improve. So friends, let's start our interesting computer keyboard shortcut keys from A to Z. Computer keyboard shortcut keys from A to Z. Control A. Select all contents of the page. Control B. Bold highlighted text selection. Control C. Copy selected text. Control D. Font style. Control E. Align selected text or line to the center. Control F. Open find box. Control G. Go to. Control H. Find and replace option. Control I. Italicize highlighted text selection. Control J. Justify paragraph. Control K. Insert link. Control L. Align text left. Control M. Hanging indent. Control N. New page. Control O. Opening a folder. Control P. Open the print window. Control Q. Add space after paragraph. Control R. Align text right. Control S. Save. Control T. Opening the link in a new tab. Control U. Underline selected text. Control V. Paste. Control W. Close document. Control X. Cut selected text. Control Y. Redo the last action performed. Control Z. Undo last action. Control 1. Single space line. Control 2. Double space line. Control 5. 1.5 line spacing. Control delete. Delete towards to right of cursor. Control backspace. Delete toward to left of the cursor. Control end. Move cursor to end of document. Control home. Move cursor to beginning of document. Control space. Reset highlighted text to default font. Control alternative 1. Change text to heading 1. Control alternative 2. Change text to heading 2. Control alternative 3. Change text to heading 3. F1. Open help. F2. Edit the selected cell. F3. Start find from desktop. F4. Open the drive selection when browsing. F5. Refresh contents. Go to a specific cell. F6. Closes the document or the file in the active window. F7. Spell check selected text and document. F8. Forward the email in the active window. F9. Sends the email in the active window. F10. Start spell checking program in the active document. F11. Create chart. F12. Save as. Friends, if you like this video, so please press the like button and comment how is my video and how can I improve. And friends, there are many lot more keyboard shortcuts. So friends, if you want, you will comment. I will make that video also. We will meet in our next video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.